Hi guys, it's Penny at the disco and I'm doing some cooking today with my friends.
Tom at the Penny's Kitchen.
Hi, I'm Phoebe.
And what are we cooking today?
Pea soup!
Why do you think it's important to make soup today?
Because it's quite cold outside.
Yeah.
True.
And soup warms us.
Warms the heart.
Warms our bodies.
Where do you think I did my shopping today?
The co-op by any chance?
I think reckon Aldi.
Aldi?
The co-op! Oh,
Yeah,
there you go, you win.
It's so close to campus and it's quite cheap if you know where to shop, so yeah.
Do they do an NUS discount, Penny?
We do, 10% with
10%
NUS
off
Extra
an
card.
NUS Extra card.
Yay!
I use that.
Recommend it?
I recommend it, yeah. Sometimes my mum borrows it to buy wine.
Today's video has actually got a bit of a twist because me and Tom are going to have a little bit of competitions. So we're going to compete in chopping the ingredients, which is onion and garlic, and in the end we're going to compete to see who's the best at presenting the food.
Yeah.
How competitive are you feeling today, Tom?
I'm feeling exceptionally competitive, and luckily I come from a long line of onion choppers. So I reckon you're going to be a bit out of your depth here, Penny.
And Phoebe is going to be our judge.
The non-biased judge.
Not biased too.
It's a good job I don't hate these. 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm done!
Basically, I'm done as well.
Okay.
I would say, just out of sheer neatness, Penny has definitely.
It's not about neatly chopping onions.
It's not the neatest onion chopping I've ever seen.
Also, Penny gave me the least neat side. It's actually biased.
Right.
2, 1, go! Oh, well now it's better than mine.
I think Thomas might have won this one.
Why?
Rustic cooking.
Okay.
We're going to go on
I
Nigel's
like the shape of his garlic.
Yeah, look at that. See, you never know what you're getting.
Yeah.
That, predictable.
What
Well,
about
look
the
at that.
shape of mine?
Little bits of garlic, yeah. Sure, whatever. That's what you want. That's what I asked for in a
What
restaurant.
is your winning face? going to do some blending.
You got that?
Do not do that at home. Okay.
There you go.
A few moments later.
Tom's presentation, and this is mine. Whoa. Phoebe, what do you think? Who's the winner?
I don't think Tom's finished yet.
Vinegar like they do like in restaurants, but it's closed. We won't worry about that. Imagine there's about some vinegar.
I think Tom had a great idea, but the execution was just not there.
Right, that's it then.
How do you feel?
I feel like
You're not going to slaughter me in my sleep, are you?
yeah. I feel disappointed. I'm not angry. I'm just disappointed.
God, you sound like my mother.
I just thought Phoebe had better judgment than that.
Okay. So, looks like...
Penny is the winner!
Yay! What do you think, Tom?
Very nice. Very nice, thank you, Penny.
It's lovely. Really nice.
And dip it in a bit of the
I'm definitely going to make this at home now.
sriracha mayo. With carp ingredients.
Right, let's go with garlic bread. With all my carb ingredients.